Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to FAM English with Mr. Kabada. This is English for grade 12. Some questions focusing on some language parts. So let me practice, let me just read it and let me answer the question with clear explanation. I hope you'll subscribe, like and share. If you have any comments, you try to just comment with my comment address. So that's okay, thank you please, I think. The first question, actually all the questions as I have told you first is new, which I haven't touched before, or grammar parts or lessons which is important, or I expect this type of question will appear for your university entrance examination for the sake of awareing yourself, and you make ready to to know more about the grammar questions. Yeah, the first question here is: the fire spreads through the building very quickly, but fortunately everybody escaped. First read, please. Yeah, the question here is will, able to, and here is C, was able to, could able to, and could. These are modal verb questions. Modal verb question, yeah. Look the question: the fire spreads through the building very quickly, but fortunately everybody escape. Everybody, because here is will be, will able to, which is future modal verb, and was able to, which is called actually past, and was able to, which has the same meaning with could. I think could has the same meaning with was able to and were able to, but we cannot use was able to and were able to plus could at the same time in a given sentence. We use was able to and were able to in different contexts, and could is also in different, because could able to, we do have this kind of modal verb actually, because it's different from the other modal verbs, so that's completely wrong here. What about could? It is modal verb could. We use could for general ability. Sometimes it is the past form of can. Sometimes, yeah, it's the past form of can, but which we use could for general ability, which means that allowed to do. Could means allowed to do, and was able to, and which we use here as I am explaining here is could means general ability, that we did something right. When I was a child, I could play with mud, which is my general ability that I did when I was a child. Means it was allowed to do when I was a child. Could have the same meaning, but we cannot substitute this example sentence with was able to and were able to. Was able to and were we use for in a particular or specific situation. That's why was able to and were able to, which is different from could. Alright, እነዚህ አሁን እየሰጠሁት ያለው መብራሪያ ሁለቱ ልዩነት አላቸው። ፓርቲኩላር ኮንቴክስት ከሆነ was እና were able to እንጠቀማለን። general ability ከሆነ could እንጠቀማለን። እዚህ ጋር የሚጠይቃችሁ ነው። It talks about the only specific context here. The fire spread through the building very quickly, but fortunately everybody was able to escape. What was able to escape means managed to ማለት ነው። was able to ማለት managed to ነው። could ማለት allowed ማለት. So they are different. Yes, they are different. So the answer is was able to, not could actually here. Question number 2. You blank. You could have taken your turn. Yes. You blank. You could have taken your turn. Needn't have rushed. C. Might not rush. Could rush. Will not be rush. Yeah. This is modal verb actually. Yeah, because you could have taken your turn, of course. So the answer is when do you use needn't have? Needn't have. Yeah. Needn't have is it is necessity that we use for past. Yes, it was not necessary to do something in the past. Unfortunately, I did it, but I realized that, or I know that it was not good to do. It's not good to do it. Needn't have rushed ማለት ድርጊቱን ሰርቼዋለሁ ከሰራሁት በኋላ መስራቱ አስፈላጊ አልነበረም ብዬ ሳምን needn't have rushed ተጠቀማለሁ። Yes, I did it, but I realized that the thing that I did was not necessary. Needn't have rushed ማለት ለምሳሌ I needn't have taken the exit exam, because I was not ready to take it. Yes. ወስጃለሁ ኤግዚት ኤግዛሙን መውሰዴ ግን አስፈላጊ አልነበረም ምክንያቱም ጥሩ ዝግጅት አልነበረኝም ብዬ ማስብ ኮን didn't have rushed ተጠቀማለሁ might not possibly probability ነው የሚያሳያችሁ might not rush possibility ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር ደግሞ possibility የሚፈልግ አይደለም could rush general ability ነው የሚገልጸው ይሄም የሚጠቀምበታል ስለዚህ needn't have rushed exactly which is needn't was necessity you could have taken your turn no milachu ብትወስዱ ብትሉ ጥሩ ነበር የሚቻል it was possible but didn't happen ማለት ነው yes couldn't have taken በራሱ አንድ ትርጉም አለው ሞዳል verb ነው actually yes could have taken it was good but it was possible but didn't happen ማለት ነው so ይሄ ሐሳብ ከዚህ ጋር የሚያይዝ ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ እሱ question number 3 I wonder why they are so late. They belong here long ago. Yes. Look here. Yes. I wonder why they are so late. They are so late. They belong here long ago. Should have get. Modal verb question. Should have get. And should get. Shall get. Should have gotten. Alright, what's the answer here? Should have got kalachu. Minimum method look no. Should have got. Yes, I wonder why they are so late. They should have got here long ago. Alright, so the answer is you don't look very well. Yes, you don't look very well. You belong out tonight. Yes, you had better not go out tonight. You had better not to go out tonight. You had better to go out tonight. You ought to go out tonight. You ought to go not out tonight. Yeah. You don't look very well. What this is the central question. Yes. የጥያቄው ዋና ጉዳይ ያለው እዚህ ነው. Yes. You don't look very well. Why you don't look very well? Because you had better not. You had better not go out tonight. Yes. ባትወጣ ወደ ውጭ ምሽት ላይ ባትወጣ የተሻለ ነበር. That's why you don't look very well today. All right? It is an advice which is a strong advice. Had better. It is better means or it is advisable not to do something. If you do you'll be in problem ማለት ኮነ. Had better not ማለት ባሰራው ጥሩ ነው ተመካሪ ነበር. ከሰራው ደግሞ you'll be in problem. problem ውስጥ ትገባለህ ነው ጥያቄው የሚለው. You don't look very well. Central target ነው. Central point ነው የጥያቄው. You had better not go out tonight. Right ነው. አንደኛ had better to ነው አይወስድም. ይሄ ፕሮብሌሙ እዚህ ጋር ቱን ስለወሰደ actually that's wrong. Yes. Had better to go እዚህ ጋር ማሆን አይወስደላችሁ. Out to go out no meaningless structure ነው actually. ስለዚህ you had better not go out tonight. But ወጣ የተሻለ actually it doesn't mean past ማለት አይደለም please. It is a strong advice or suggestion advice had better should ought to they have the same meaning but the difference is should and ought to which is in a very general context እንጠቀምበታለን which weak advice had better for a particular context or a particular situation that we use or we intend to use for a strong advice. All right, a strong advice እንጠቀምባቸዋለን even though all the three modal verbs function as advice and suggestion differenceaቸው ይሄ ነው so had better not go. Yeah, exactly. Next question please. Question number 5 line እንምጣ question number 5 yeah I'd be very scared if somebody blank again at me. Yeah, I'd be very scared if somebody blank again at me. That's conditional question now. Yeah, a very just clear and common question. I would be yes. This is main clause which is stated as the first part. As the first part means as introductory or in place of if clause. It doesn't matter, right? I'd be because I love to get close from here. I would be which is would plus verb 1 or conditional plus verb 1 which is the forms of conditional or improbable condition. በቃ እዚህ ጋር ፍንጭ አገኘሁኝ አይደለ? ፍንጭ ምንድነው? conditional plus verb 1 ነው ወይም conditional ማለት could, would, might, should plus verb 1 ከተጠቀሙ conditional type or improbable condition, something an imaginary condition, an imaginary output ማለት ነው, right? Something might be true or something may be true, which is when we are talking about the present or regretting the present ማለት ነው conditional type 2 ማለት. Improbable ማለት there might be somebody may have probability or may not have probability. Yes, ስለዚህ pointed because this is if clause በpast tense ነው የምንገልጸው ማለት ነው አይደል? በpast tense ይሄው if somebody points again at me, yes, right, parallel. Had I had a camera with me, I belong some pictures. Yes, still conditional question ነው, which is here is the out. The sentence begins with if clause ነው የጀመረው. How do you know? Because the sentence begins with had. an inversion እንለዋለን። ይሄን inversion ማለት ስቴትመንቱ if clause በምን ሲጀምር በሞዳል ማን ነው በፕራይመሪ አክሲለሪ had ሲጀምር had ማለት if ማለት ነው። had I had እዚህ ጋር ፍንጭ የሚሰጣቸው past perfect structure ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ had I had ሆነ conditional types ወይም impossible, unlikely, unfulfilled or unfinished, regretting the past ማለት ነው። had I had a camera with me, I belong some pictures, will have taken future perfect ነው። ይሄ would take conditional or conditional perfect, conditional plus verb 1 ማለት ነው። would have taken conditional perfect ማለት conditional type 3 right structure ማለት ነው። right, yeah, that's right, the answer is here. had I had a camera with me, I would have taken some pictures, but I didn't have a camera, so I didn't take some pictures ማለት ነው implied meaning. ካሜራ የለኝም ነበር ስለዚህ some pictures ወይ ስዕሎችን ማንሳት አልቻልኩም ነበር። regretting the past, talking about the past, right. take care the structure here is inversion እንለዋለን። ይሄን inversion is possible condition to conditional 2 and conditional 3, but no conditional 1 please. Number 7, I have met that man before, I wish. Yes, right, I have met that man before, I wish. I have met ነው ያላችሁ ያለው yes, I have met ነው ያላችሁ which is present perfect ማለት ነው። yeah, result is I have met ስለዚህ I know the guy, I know the man. I wish I blank remember his name. I wish, I could, I will, I must, I have to remember. If you answer here is could, because wish is true for past verb 1, wish is true for the past perfect if you are talking about the past, but here is present result. wish plus past verb recreating or talking the present ሁለት ህግ አለው። wish ከሲምፕል ፓስት ጋር የምንጠቀም ከሆነ regretting the present ነው፣ ወይም በሌላ አገላለጽ conditional type 2 ወይም improbable condition ማለት ነው። ሁለት wish plus past perfect ተጠንቀቁ ማለት impossible condition ነው ወይም conditional type 3 ነው። regretting the past ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር እየሰጣችሁ ያለው ይሄ present event ነው የሰጠን። ይሄ present event ምን ያስገድደናል? I wish plus simple past, sometimes could, it is the past form of can. sometimes ነው ያልኩት 100% አይደለም። sometimes it is the past forms of can ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ could appropriate structure ነው። I wish I could remember his name ማለት I can't remember his name, right? I can't remember his name ማለት ነው። the roof of the building blank. Yeah, the roof of the building blank in a storm a few days ago. The roof of the building here is what is the structure, what is here the phrase here. Hey, noun phrase ነው የምትሉት። the roof of the building damaged, right? Yes, was damaged. Yes, is damaging and damaging. Yeah, I'm talking about the action, the receiver, not the doer. We don't know the yes, actually the እዚህ ጋር ነው ያለው a storm in a few days ago. There is no indicator which gives you a clue here. Simply it looks like a simple sentence, all right? So was damaged because I'm talking about the agent of the sentence is here. The roof of the building was damaged in a storm in a few days ago, right? Was damaged, all right? Number 2 damaged እንደ ድርጊት ፈጻሚ አድርጋችሁ ይሄን አክሽን ከወሰዳችሁት አረፍተ ነገሩ ሙሉ አይሆንላችሁም። የምታወሩ ስለዚህ ጉዳይ ነው። ይሄ ማለት ኤጀንት ነው፣ አክሽን ነው፣ ሪሲቨር ነው ከሆነ ደግሞ passive voice appropriate structureአችሁ ነው። yes, ለምን was damaged ተጠቀማችሁ in a few days ago የሚል signal expression ስላለ ይሄን እንድትጠቀሙ ያስገድዳችኋል። the plan, yes. number 9, the plan, just here number 9, the plan be a secret but everybody seems to know about it. supposed to is supposed to, supposed only, is being supposed to. Yeah, was supposed. It's like some verbs which is be forms of verbs, you know. Supposed ማለት expected, predicted, inclined, intended ማለት ነው። supposed ማለት ይሄ reported speech ነው። that's called passive voice ነው። yes. ስለዚህ the plan is supposed to be a secret. yeah, is supposed to a secret ማለት predicted, expected, intended. yes, the plan is intended to be a secret, inclined to be a secret, expected to be a secret, but everybody seems to know about it. right? supposed to ማለት ልክ የትርጉም አለው። ስለዚህ is supposed to, the right answer is being supposed to, meaning አይሰጣቸውም ስትራክቸሩ ትክክል አይደለም። supposed to, the plan supposed to ስትል basically ምን ይፈልጋል? ይሄ be forms of verb is supposed to ሊሆን ይችላል or are supposed to ሊሆን ይችላል። የሚጎለው ነገር ስላለ ኮምፕሊት አያደርገውም ሐሳቡን። question number 10. The Olympic Games blank every 4 years takes place, simple present, has taken place, present perfect, will take place, future took place, simple past. yeah, ይሄ ሳይን ታይም ኤክስፕሬሽን እያለ ወይም ይሄ ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽን እያለ present perfect ወይ past tense ወይ future የምመልስበት ነገር የለኝም አይደለ? የመጀመሪያው ቴንስ ላይ ስትመልሱ ሲግናሎችን መለየት ግድ ነው የሚላችሁ። ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽንስ አር ኢምፖርታንት። 12ቱም ቴንሶች የተለያየ ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽን አላቸው። ምክንያቱም አንዱ ካንዱ ስለሚለያይ ማለት ነው። እነሱ ኢንዴፊኒት ከሆኑ እንግዲህ ወደ ራስ ያምጥቼ my prior experience effort ተጠቅሜ ዲፋይን አድርገው ይችላል። ግን ምን ይኖራል? ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽን ይኖራል። ስለዚህ takes place which is simple present በቀላሉ መልሰዋለሁ ማለት ነው። ያ every 4 years which is ምንድነው? definite adverse of frequency ነው ይሄ time. always, usually, often, sometimes, really, every time, every day in the morning ምናምን ካለ የምንጠቀመው habitual action in present or during present time ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ that is the answer, please. question number 11 ላይ yes, I'll not tell to anybody what you said, a blank. I'm promising the present continuous, I'll promise future, I promise present perfect, I promise. exactly. I'll not tell anybody what you said, I promise. exactly. the answer is I promise. ይሄ ጥያቄ ሜንታል ቨርብ እንላቸዋለን። ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ኩዌስችን ነው። ሜንታል ቨርብስ promise, insist, understand, remember, forget, think, know. እነዚህ ሜንታል ቨርብ they do not have any continuous form except they change their meanings. alright, እነዚህ ሜንታል ቨርቦች ትርጉማቸውን ካልቀይረው ከሆነ ሌላ ትርጉም የሚሰጡ ከሆነ በኮንቲኒየስ ፎርም እንገልጻቸዋለን። ትርጉማቸውን የማይቀይሩ ከሆነ ግን ኮንቲኒየስ ፎርም የላቸውም። ስለዚህ ሁልጊዜው እንገልጻቸዋለን በሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ነው የምንገልጸው። ለምሳሌ ለማንም የነገርከኝን ነገር ለማንም አልነገርም። ቃል እየገባሁልህ ነው፣ ቃል እገባልህ እችላለሁ፣ ቃል ገባሁልህ ወይስ ቃል እገባለሁ ነው። ቃል እገባለሁ የሚለው ቴንስ ሜንታል ቨርብ ነው። ሜንታል it's always attached with our mental thinking ነው። right, our mental thinking ለዛ ነው I promise ብዬ ማስቀምጠው ሌሎቹን ማስደበት ምክንያት. that's the right answer, so I promise the right one, please. I must go now, I'll eat blank late. A guest late, simple present, is getting late, simple present, present for future plan, or maybe yeah, future plan actually is going to late, is late. So what's the answer is I must go now here. is getting late, right? future intention ይሄም ሊሆን ይችላል of course። ግን ምንድነው is going to late ሳይሆን is going to be late, something left here. ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ቢጨምርበት እንደዚህ ሊሆን ይችላል። is going to be late ሊሆን ይችላል። is going to late ሳይሆን is going to be late ካለ ኮምፕሊት ሊሆን ይችላል። ግን is plus ing እና ይሄ future intention a little bit difference አላቸው please. ይሄኛው future planned action ነው፣ ይሄኛው future intention ነው። ሁለቱም እንኳን present continuous የምትጠቀባቸው ቢሆንም የትርጉም የተወሰነ ልዩነት some difference አላቸው please, some difference አላቸው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ሐሳብ ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ is getting present continuous for future plan action, or you can say that future intention. yeah, all right. The car began to make a strange noise when I belonged to Mexico. The car began, there is a clue here. The car, I'm driving, present continuous, past continuous, drive simple present, have driven present perfect. Which sentence go with this sentence? እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ፍንጭ ማግኘት ነው። began አለ simple past ነው ይሄ structure simple past it happened suddenly or by chance ስለዚህ which tense go with simple past was driving ነው yes this is the first action please right was driving past continuous ጥያቄ ነው the combination to make a strangeness when I was driving to Mexico እያሽከረከርኩ ይል በድንገት ወይ በአጋጣሚ መኪናዋ የተለየ ድምጽ አሰምታ ነበር or ማሰማት ጀምራ ነበር የሰው ማሰማት ጀምራለች ነው የሚልናል ይሄ ፈርስት አክሽን ነው እየተከናወነ ሰደሊ ይሄ ነገር ተፈጠረ ፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ ስለዚህ ፎከስ አቴንሽናችሁ ላይ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው ሴንቴንስ ስትራክቸር ነው የምታዩት began simple past ያለው ይሄና ሌላውን ልመልስልህ no link no connected with the other tenses it always connect with past continuous and sometimes past perfect and sometimes past perfect continuous tense nothing else በቃ በጣም ጥሩ question number 14 I haven't seen Alan for ages when I last blank him I haven't Alan for I last see no I last saw him yeah does he yellow present መልሳለሁ እንዴ I last was here I last ካለ simple past signal expression when I last saw him not I last have seen I last am seeing no right please so I last saw him nice the next question look somebody blank something on the sofa has split and had split present perfect here is past perfect split simple present and splitting actually it is gerund form በዚህ sense ጥያቄውን complete አያደርገውም the best question here is look when do we use look here sometimes it is an important singular expression for present perfect one thing it is sometimes important as a signal expression present continuous yeah because when something is activating in the middle of talking we can just use this imperative look somebody is coming look the birds are singing look the bird listen the birds are the same meaning with listen look somebody is coming towards us the baby is creeping the baby is crying you can say yes but the sentence matters ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር የሚፈልጋችሁ somebody has split which is ይሄ ማለት recent happening ማለት ነው በነገራችን ላይ recent information ነው እየሰጠኝ ያለው somebody has split something on the sofa ስንል which is recent information to the family to myself so that's the use of present perfect yeah ይሄ ነው ሴንሱ ስለዚህ እቺ ኤክስፕሬሽን ዋና ዲተርሚናንት ፋክተር ነች present perfectን recent informationን እንድትጠቀም ታደርገኝ ነው ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም ይሄ blank time to go to the bank yesterday how do you get in no meaning actually did you have time has you get time do you have time I don't know what is yeah right and it's clear yeah was the bank yesterday yes this is an important time expression so it makes to scope your choice to scope means to narrow your scope right ምርጫችሁ እንድታጠብላችሁ መታደርጋችሁ ይችላል yesterday ካላውን እኔ ዲን አልመልስም ይሄን አልመልስም ምናልባት ይሄ ልመጣ ይችላል ሁለቱ ላይ a እና b ልመጣ ይችላል a ላይ ስተቱ ደግሞ we don't have this kind of structure የለኝም አይደል ስተቱ ነው structure ስለዚህ ምን ልመልስ ይችላል did you have time exactly did you have time to go to the bank yesterday yes I did no I didn't have time እንደዚህ ብለው ሲን ይሄ ላጥፋው how do you get time ለምሳሌ how do you get time to go to the bank ይሄ ይቻላል how do you get time to go to the bank yes I had no I hadn't did you have time እዚህ ጋር ፖዚሽን ነው ኮሚያስ ሰዓት ነበር ባንክ ለመሄድ how do you get time ሰዓት ነበር ፖዚሽን ነው የሚያሳያችሁ እንደዚህ ካለ ሁለቱም መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው እንደዚህ ከሆነ ሁለቱም መልስ ይሆናል የቅድሙ ከሆነ ግን መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም መልሳችሁ ማን ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው did you have time thank you very much please let's continue the next question please yeah next question is 17 question number 17 I blank play tennis a lot but I don't play very much now yeah used to I didn't used to I'm accustomed to yeah blank yeah here is but I don't play very much now here is I don't play means I stop playing now I am on a new mood now but in the past I was a tennis player I did it repeatedly in the past which is past habitual action So the right modal verb is used to here. Something was happened repeatedly in the past, but no longer true or not true anymore. For example, I used to be an English lecturer. I was an English lecturer before, but I'm not. I'm a nurse maybe, or I'm a policeman maybe. My mood is already changed at the time being. So used to, please. The right answer here. እዚህ ጋር ያለውን የመለሰላችሁ አሁን ያ I belong tomorrow. I have got any plane ticket here. Yes, I belong tomorrow. I have got I have got my plane ticket. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'll leave tomorrow. I'll leave tomorrow. I'll be tomorrow. No meaning at all. Yes. ይሄ ምንም ትርጉም አይሰጣችሁም። እዚህ ጋር አሁን I have got my plane ticket here because somebody I have already decided to leave the country, right? To leave the country and stay or live somewhere outside the country. I have got my plan. This is called, it shows that something, or I have already decided to do something, or I have already decided before the time of speaking. Decide አድርጌያለሁ። Decide ማድረግን የሚያሳያቸው ይሄ ነው። I have got my plane ticket ካለ I'm leaving tomorrow ይሄ ነው። I'm leaving tomorrow ማለት future planned action but schedule ግን ማለት አይደለም ይሄ ኦኬ schedule አይደለም decision before ግን ያሳያቸዋል ይሄ ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር plane ticket አግኝቻለሁ I'm leaving tomorrow ነገ ሄዳለሁ ነው ይሄን ካላችሁ I will leave tomorrow ካል there might be sometimes a possibility that I will not leave tomorrow የሚል ትርጉም ያወጣባቸዋል alright ማልሄድበት ነገር ሊፈጠር ይችላል ነው I'm leaving exactly ሄዳለሁ ነገ ማለት because my plane tickets with me right it's in my pocket it's on my purse that's please ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው Number 19 let's wait for Lisa to arrive and then let's wait for Lisa to arrive and then we blank dinner we'll have conditional I think future tense I'm having present continuous and we have dinner which is present actually present position no yeah yes let's wait for Lisa to arrive and then we will have dinner we'll have all right ከዛ በኋላ ነው አሁን የሚያሳያችሁ future prediction ነው የሚያሳየን or decision ነው የሚያሳየን ሊዛን እንጠብቃት ነው አይደል and እስከምትመጣ እንጠብቃት ከዛ በኋላ ራታችንን እንበላለን ነው የሚለው እንደመጣች ራታችንን ነው ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚያሳይ decision ነው you decide to do something after Lisa arrived with us or Lisa arrived here so here no future tense or simple future for prediction exactly ስለዚህ we live Interesting. Our best player is injured. Yes, our best player is injured and blank in the game on Sunday. Will not be playing future continuous, is not playing present continuous, was not playing past continuous, will not play simple future. But take care please. አንደኛ event continuous action ነው አይደለም እሱን ይሁት ሁለተኛ ምን ነው future ነው present ነው past ነው የሚገልጻቸው እነዚህን የቀረቡትን አማራጮች አጠቃቀማቸው መለየት ያስፈልጋቸዋል our best player is injured he might have knee surgery ሊሆን ይችላል አለ injured ተጎድቷል ስለዚህ and in the game he will not be playing in the game on Sunday እዚህ ጋር የሚያሳያቸው የሚቀጥለው እሁድ ላይ ጨዋታ ላይ ላይሰለፍ ይችላል ነው will not be playing future continuous for completed action ተቀበባታለን ሁለት አጠቃቀማለው future continuous ማለት አንደኛው an action will be taking place in a certain time in a particular time in the future ማለት ነው በአንድ በተወሰነ ሰዓት እየተከናወነ ያለን ድርጊት ምንገልጽበት ነው አንድ ሁለተኛው an action will be completed within an expected time in the future continuous ከfuture perfect ጋር sometimes ተመሳሳይነት አለው ነገር ግን ልዩነቱ ምንድነው future perfect ላይ expected time አለው by plus time expression አለ ማለት future perfect ማለት ነው ይሄኛው ያን አይጠቀም ግን complete action ነው yes ምንድነው አክቲቪቲው ይሄ event ራሱ long action ነው እየተከናወነ የሚቀይ action ነው simply touch አርገን የምናቆመው ጉዳይ አይደለም our best player is injured he will not be playing in the game on Sunday አይጫወትም እየተጫወተ አይቆይም ወይም ኮምፕሊት አይጫወትም ስንል future continuous እንጠቀማለን ስለዚህ የfuture continuous አንዱ አጠቃቀም ይሄ ነው question number 21 appreciate
I appreciate blank who examine the exit exam takers genuinely. Exactly. I appreciate who examine the exit exam takers genuinely. This, those, their, and their. Yes, this እነዚህ ሁለቱ demonstrative adjectives ናቸው። ሁለተኛም demonstrative pronoun ናቸው። I appreciate አሁን በዚህ አጠቃቀማችን እንደ demonstrative adjective ነው። ፈታኞች ነው ቲቸርስ ናቸው። ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ወይም ሪሜዲያል ኤግዛም ቴከሮችን የሚፈትኑት ነው እሱ ጋር እየገለጸ ያለው። I exit exam this if the examiners are close to the speaker. This እንጠቀማል but they are not close to me, right? They are not close to me. I appreciate those who examine the exit exam takers. Those ማለት they are people or person or maybe things which are or who are far from the speaker and they are found in pronoun number. Those is the right expression. Right. Those who examine the exit exam takers. Genuine ሆኖ የሚፈትኑትን ኮሮ yes. Some are corrupted. Exactly. Yeah, it has a connotative meaning. Take care please. Especially nowadays. Yeah, it's quite I don't want to hear the bad practice. Question number 22. It's true that we all belong honest and ethical to the work we stand on. Otherwise, things are going to be worse and worse. ይሄም ከዚህ ጋር የተያዘ ጥያቄ ነው please because it's true that we all belong honest and ethical. Very important adjectives ናቸው እነዚህ. Yes, exactly. That's right. To the work we stand on. Otherwise, things are going to be or things are becoming worse and worse. Must be ሞዳል ቨርብ ናቸው ግን አይደንቲፋይ ማድረግ አለባችሁ። ኢምፖርታንት ኢምፕሊኬሽን አላቸው። must be ማለት something which we use for a strong advice or maybe just certainty እንገልጽበታለን። certainty strong certainty እንገልጽበታለን። can be possibility possible maybe may not possible. will be prediction of course simply prediction without any evidence simply predict እናደርግበታለን. might be something is not sure somebody is not sure unsureness እንገልጽበታለን. which one do you think is important? እዚህ ጋር ያስቀምጥኳቸው ነገሮች እንዳትረሷቸው. it's true that we all must be honest and ethical to the work we stand on. Otherwise things are going to be worse and worse. Exactly, this is true please. ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው? must be ነው የምትጠቀሙት because it needs very serious take care ይፈልጋል ይሄ event ማለት ነው. right? so I know these are some of the questions actually እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ከዚህ በፊት ያላየኋቸው ናቸው ግን I want to practice. I want to show you about if such kind of question will appear for your university entrance examination. You will do just like this. I think you'll I wish you all the grade 12 students who are going to will have taken for the entrance examination. I wish you best of all. I try to share my experience as an English lecturer and do your best please. I hope you'll be successful. Thank you for the time and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and sometimes if you have any comment, write comments. Thank you. Bye bye please.